Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I want to, from the onset, send my condolences to the family of the late Mwai Kibaki, a great man, a visionary leader, a brilliant economist, a Democrat par excellence, and the best president ever in our 5-decade history in this country. Mr. Speaker, the late Mwai Kibaki hailed from Nyeri, the land of the courageous, the land of the brave, the land of Dedan Kimathi Washuri, the land of Professor Wangari Maathai, and he has done us proud. Mr. Speaker, Mwai Kibaki's pretended over unprecedented economic development that changed people's lives, and by the time he handed over in 2013, Mr. Speaker, he left Kenyans a happy lot. Everybody had money in the pocket. Mr. Speaker, the late Mwai Kibaki expanded business and created the best environment for doing business in this country. He opened up the East for the people of Kenya to trade with China and other countries. Mr. Speaker, he brought about access to affordable credit. If Kenyans can remember, during his time, there were tents outside every building where banks were hawking loans to the people of Kenya to do business. Today, the reverse is the reality. Mr. Speaker, Mwai Kibaki had respect for the rule of law. He never used the criminal justice system to manage politics. He managed politics in the conventional way. And he was a gentleman, and he never coerced anybody. He never intimidated anybody to follow his political thinking. He let every Kenyan be. After serving for 39 years as Member of Parliament for Udaya, when the time came for him to retire, he never forced the people of Udaya, who is the next Member of Parliament. When his time as President to retire came, he allowed the people of Kenya to choose their own leader without coercion and intimidation. May his soul rest in eternal peace.